like to invite all of you dito sa aming Honda Safety Driving Center. Alam ko marami sa inyo hindi pa nakakapunta dito, so we'd like to invite you to come and see our facilities and have a formal training sa aming mga training programs na kung ano man yung classic training na gusto niyo. For beginners, meron kami. For professional riders, meron din kaming mga for scooter riders or automatic, and also big bike. So come and see our facilities and appreciate and learn to ride safely. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, good morning. So today we're on our way to Honda Safety Driving Center para mag-refresher course ng basic motorcycle riding. So ipapakita ko, actually nakapag basic riding motorcycle course na kami. Siguro way back 2004 at saka yun 2019. So ngayon gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung kahalagahan ng mag-aral talaga bago kayo magmotor. So dito papunta na kami sa KM17 East Service Road. So papunta doon sa pinakamalaking Honda Safety Driving Center. Yung mga katoto, si Dodo at saka si Les sa likod. Ayan. So pagpasok nyo ng guard sa entrance, kailangan meron kayong ipapakitang medical certificate or vaccination card na may 2 dose na kayo. Ayan. O diba parang passport ang inyong mga vaccine card, kaya magpa-second dose at magpa-vaccine na kayo for your safety. Hi guys, we're now here at Honda Safety Driving Center. Welcome to Honda Safety Driving Center. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ang kanilang reception area, where you will go when you start enrolling at Honda Safety Driving Center. There you go. So here guys, make sure lang po you follow safety protocols. Wear your mask, your face shield, and before you go enter the facility kasi you have to have a medical certificate or your vaccination card na tapos na kayo sa 2 dose. Yun yung mga basic requirements sa safety protocol nila. I just want to share to you guys na why are we here at Honda Safety Driving Center. This is because gusto kong ipakaalam sa inyo yung importance ng nag-aaral muna bago kayo mag-umpisa magmotor. Kaya ipapakita natin sa inyo yung basic motorcycle riding course nila dito. Ano ba ang ginagawa nila? Ano ba yung mga makukuha mo kapag nag-enroll ka? Pero ako na lang hindi na nagsasabi sa'yo, sulit na sulit. It's because 2 beses na ako nag-basic riding course dito. So doon ko yung masasabi dahil doon, nagkaroon ako ng confidence din to go outside the world at sa totoong buhay ng pagra-ride sa labas. It's because they have a fantastic facility na dinadala nila yung road ng labas sa'yo dito sa loob. With of course, the best instructors that they have. So later, ipapakita ko sa inyo lahat-lahat yan, mga glimpses of what they do here at the Honda Safety Driving Center. So samahan niyo ako today at for sure, matutuwa kayo sa mga makikita. Alright? Let's go inside na. Ayan, the motorcycle gymkhana, hopefully magagawa din natin yan soon. Pagpasok mo, bubunga sa'yo si Sir Yel. Good morning, sir!
Hi, good morning, Ma'am Inday.
Yes.
Welcome to HSDC po.
Yes. Sir Yel, pwede ba pakitaan natin sila ng sample ng kanilang booklet?
For the 20 hours LTO requirement,
yes.
Ito po yun, booklet natin. For 4 wheels naman po, ito.
Yung isa,
Color pink. Opo. We offered program kasi for LTO requirement and regular students na mga license na po.
So ayan, if you have any questions, just look for Sir Yel and he'll help you out dito. And of course, check out their Facebook on all the requirements you need bago ka makapag-enroll. So nandun naman lahat sa website nila and their Facebook on how you would enroll dito sa Honda Safety Driving Center. So ngayon, ikutin natin ang facilities para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda. Right? So here, ako lang naman mag-isa sa room. So pinapaikot sa atin yung buong facility ng Honda Safety Driving Center. Just to show you lang on how big the place is and how professional their training are. Ang laki-laki ng space. Look at that. Diba? So this can accommodate more than 100 na students na gustong mag-aral ng driving or kaya riding. That's what they offer kasi. Driving and riding. Car, automobiles and motorcycles. And aminin, hindi lahat sa atin alam itong mga international standard traffic signs. So that's one of the benefits na nakukuha mo kapag ka nag-aaral ka talaga ng formal training on riding and even on driving. Kasi itong mga bagay na to, we don't usually know this unless we really talaga make time na pag-aralan siya. And because Honda is one of their visions and goals is really to promote road safety, and they are actually giving you that. Itong facility na to ay tinayo nila para matulungan tayong mga road users na maging safe sa road sa labas. And for that to happen, kailangan matuto muna tayo ng mga basics. So ito, yan. So nakita nyo naman guys, ang laki, di ba? O yan. Imagine it na nandito kayo nakaupo at nag-aaral, o di ba? So facilities likewise pa lang, you'll get your money's worth kapag nag-enroll ka sa Honda. Kasi marami ka talagang for sure matututunan. So, ikutin pa natin yung ibang lugar para makita nyo kung ano ba ang meron dito sa Honda Safety Driving Center.
Welcome to L1, L2, L3 is the classification if you are using it for personal use. Common to.
So here they're having the intermediate class for 2 wheels. So ayaw naman natin istorbohin kasi very masinsin ang kanilang pag-uusap. So let's tour you around pa. Their training room that they have. Uy, mas maliwalas dito. Kitang-kita yung course. Ang ganda. You can see the whole course here. Oh, very nice. O, diba? Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Pag nag-enroll ka sa Honda, yan ang makukuha mo. The facilities that they have. Nice. So, they're having a handling doon na small bike. Ayun, no? Nakikita niyo yun. Nag-aaral na sila. Towards ano, yan. So, later, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga yan. So, nakikita nyo dyan, guys. Look at the facility. They have the ramp. They have the rotonda. May 8 ka dyan. May mga narrow planks ka dyan. Yan ay yung mga nakikita mo sa road. Na kung magpa-practice ka lang sa parking lot, iba yung feeling na talagang actual. Na may actual rotonda, may actual mga bangketa. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Kakaiba dito kapag dito ka nag-aral. Guys, here is the cashier. Ayan yung cashier nila. After you enroll dun sa reception, kung gusto nyo ng walk-in, punta kayo reception, then you pay here as a cashier. Ngayon, we would request na it's better that you go online, enroll online, your application, send your application online, and pay via online din. Para iwas-iwas din yung pagpunta-punta dito. Kasi, they offer you that also, that you can enroll online and pay through banks and credit cards. So dito is where the students leave their stuff. So, yun yung gamit nila. Safe naman po dito. Ayan. So, here, you have yung mga code yung susuotin mo. So, may step 1, step 4. Depende dun sa course na you will take. Parang stages siya. So, eto yun. So, here, there's the locker. May mga lockers yung gamit. Ayan. So, sisilipin natin sila lahat mamaya dun sa labas. So here we are outside yung sa facilities ng Honda Safety Driving Center. Pakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung meron sila dito na wala ang iba. Tinatanong mo, gusto mo ngayon magmotor. Pero, syempre, bago ka makapagmotor, kailangan may lisensya ka. So, this is now a mandatory LTO regulation that you should be enrolled. Nagkaroon ka ng practical courses bago ka magkaroon ng lisensya na non-pro, at the same time yung restriction na 1, which is used for motorcycle riding. So dito sa Honda Safety Driving Center, they offer you that 20-hour course for the LTO requirement. So dito tinuturo nila yung theoretical, practical, but more on the practical talaga ang nire-require ng LTO. So today, ipapakita natin sa inyo how they do that. Kung ikaw ay mag-e-enroll dito, ano ba yung na-expect mong maituturo sa iyo ng Honda? I'll show you on how they do it and how sulit your money is when you enroll in this kind of training, formal training. Diba nga, lagi natin sinasabi sa inyo, lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo, think safe, ride safe. So, part of being safe is mag-aral ka muna. So, ang ratio ng instructor to students is 1:5, lalo na kapag yung pinaka-basic yung tinuturo nila. So, dito, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung tinuturo nilang theoretical about motorcycle handling na 5 student for 1 instructor. Para talagang matuturuan kayo ng tama kasi konti lang ang kanilang ratio per instructor. It becomes different na kapag ka lumilevel up ka na, let's say intermediate or kaya big bike, minsan 1:2 na ang turuan nila. Papakita ko rin yan sa inyo soon kung ano ang intermediate big bike course nila. But for now, dito papakita natin sa inyo yung ginagawa nila. Silipin natin ha, at baka isyoso tayo kung paano nila ginagawa. This one naman is practical handling of the bike. Nakita nyo paano itayo, i-stand.
Okay, sige. Meron kasi silang parts ng motorcycle. Kaya yung iba naglalagay ng slider para protektahan yung isang part para hindi ma-damage. Pero ito kasi, crash niya. Ang katandaan nyo, ang pinaka-importante ay yung oil drop. Kapag kumumba ka, i-check mo lang yung buwan. Check mo, kung may suga, may balik.
Dito guys, they have stages. So you have to go through different stages para makapasa. May test din sila guys. So may mga exam na dapat mong magawa bago ka makapasa at mabigyan ng certificate. So talagang siseryosohin mo to because this is about safety of your life. Kailangan mo seryosohin yung pag-aaral because pag nasa labas ka na sa real world, iba na ang mundo natin doon. So ngayon kung disiplinado ka pa lang, sa training mo pa lang, I think you'll be safe enough din sa labas. So yan, one of the importance of having a good formal motorcycle training. Guys, is the narrow plank. Ang kinakatakutan ng marami, daanan. Bakal siya guys. Yan. So dyan, kailangan dumaan ka mula doon, papunta rito na hindi ka bumabaksak. Pero don't worry, kasi meron pa siya munang beginner stage for the narrow plank. There. Yun. Yan. So yan, susundan yan. Dadaan muna kayo dyan. Then you have the cones. So guys, this one naman is the figure 8. Yung figure 8 na nakatukoy ka ng marami. Pero kayang-kaya nyo yan guys. Kayang-kaya nyo yan. Basta tsatsagaan nyo lang. But this will help you on your tight maneuvering, tight turns. Lahat ng mga facility nila dito, lahat ng courses, lahat ng area has a purpose. It will teach you basics na magagamit mo talaga when you're out there on the road with all the trucks, cars, lahat ng mga kotse, lahat na ata, pati mga rider, bisikleta, lahat. So dito mo matututunan yung pinaka-basic. So I find it very practical to study here at mag-train. It's because dito talaga ako nag-umpisa. Bago ako naglalabas at nag-big bike, dito ako nag-aral. And it helped me a lot. That is my testimony for that.
Sana dito.
ayan guys, pag nagkamali ka, pwede ka magtanong. Anytime, you can ask the instructor kung saan ka nagkamali. So at least para makokorek yun. So ayan guys, I'm giving you a tour inside the facility ng Honda Safety Driving Center. O diba? How nice is that? So dito papakita ko sa inyo yung actual road na nasa labas ay dinadala nila dito sa loob ng facility. So yun yung advantage of training in a world-class facility ng driving school. And this is composed of a 24,000 square meter. Ganon siya kalaki na ibinibigay sa inyo para matuto kayo talaga at maibigay sa inyo yung feels ng road sa labas na dinala nila dito sa loob. Para makapag-train ka at matuto ka, you get to know the road safety and maging disiplinado ka pag lumabas ka na sa real road outside. So guys, this one naman is the nursery area where pag newbie and beginner rider ka. Dito yung pinaka initial step before you go out there sa mga courses. So here tinuturo nila how you would handle your bike, how to do the clutch and brake and gas.
Sinasabi sa kanya small. Ibig sabihin, pag ginawa mo sa dito, nag-open ka ng throttle, at least 3,000 to 4,000 RPM.
Galing, oh, look at that. So ayan guys, iikutin tayo ni Sir Miko. Stop. Look. Signal light. Then go. Pinapakita ko sa inyo na parang nasa loob din kayo. I mean, yung road sa labas, dinadala ng Honda dito sa inyo sa loob. kulang ano? Kulang nga. Tapos apak lang ng rear.
Kahit ba't mabilis ng konti man?
Ah, okay lang. Basta.
Para yung balance ito rin.
Alright. ngayon dito sa Honda Safety Driving Center. So we'll ask their experience. So this is Mark. Hi Mark!
Hi.
Yan. Is this your last day?
Yes.
Last day nyo today.
Ako, last day.
So, first question ko, what made you decide to enroll in Honda Safety Driving Center?
Actually, kaya ako nag-enroll dito is yung para ma-update yung license ko na
Yeah.
restriction 1. So, isa lang siya sa requirements, kaya
Yes.
nag-decide ako umattend dito.
So, what made you decide in this specific training center?
Mga friends ko na nag-ride din, ito yung sinuggest nila na punta.
This is your last day. What can you say about the courses that you took? Ikot-ikot mo dito. Ano bang na-feel mo?
Sobrang dami ko natutunan, especially yung mga traffic rules and regulations,
Yeah.
yung mga dapat gawin bago lumiko.
Yes.
Yung mga importante, lalo yung rules and regulations talaga. Yung sobrang dami ko natutunan. Actually, wala akong idea sa pag-ride talaga.
As in zero talaga.
Wala, zero talaga. Nilitood lang. Tapos, dito ko na talaga natutunan lahat. Saka magagaling mo
It's a good thing then that you decided to really train yourself first before you really ride a motorcycle. So, I salute you, Sir Mark, for making yourself train here in Honda Safety Driving Center. At saka, this is one step to being a responsible rider at hindi kamote. Di ba? Yes. Guys, thank you. I just want to share with you yung mga experience ng isang fellow rider dito na nag-aral sa Honda Safety Driving Center. And ang nakakatuwa, shout out to Vespa Lady Riders out there, isa siyang Vespa Lady Rider. Hi Che and Meadow. So I want to introduce to you Annie. Hi! Ayan, Vespa Lady Rider. So, malamang scooter rider ka na,
Yes,
no?
oo,
So,
scooter rider na.
you're now here to train for the manual.
For the
right?
manual.
Oo.
Oo.
So, just I'd like to ask you, what made you decide to take your training, basic motorcycle riding course here at Honda Safety Driving Center?
Well, number one, no, kasi sila yung very familiar na ako with. I hear them all the time with
Yeah.
other riders also, and you know, with other people who talagang recommended siya. So, parang for me, it was really parang one of the primary na gusto kong pasukan. And of course, for the price, no. So, very affordable din siya. And yun nga, you get really good professional training from the team here. So, talagang from the beginning, si Honda yung top of mind ko na pasukan. Tsaka, yun, yung other group members ko are also from here.
Alumni na.
Yes. So, they told me the good experience. So, nadadala kasi nila yung skills eh. Kahit nung nag-elevate din sila from scooter to big bike,
Yes.
nadadala nila yung skills nila. So, that's also something na I'd like to, you know, take with me from scooter to, you know, going manual and probably bigger displacement in the future. So,
Nice. You made a good decision to have your basic knowledge and training here, di ba?
Oo.
Pero yun nga, this is your first day, right?
Yes, first
So,
day.
how was it so far?
nung una kinakabahan ako.
Pawis na pawis ba?
Buti na lang, medyo
maganda yung weather.
So hindi nakita ang jabar ko. Kasi nag-iisa akong girl sa group namin. So medyo na-intimidate din ako ng konti. But okay siya. To be honest, I learned na turo lang ng ibang tao.
Yeah.
But coming here, so like for example, yung introduction, showing you the parts of the bike and all that.
Yes.
Malaki pala yung difference sa yung tinuruan ka lang. That's one of the things na I'd like to siguro point out talaga na sa akin, okay, yun pala yung tama. So, marunong na ako before, but this is actually recalibrating my skills.
Yes.
It's not really just to ride, pero to ride it the right way. Parang ganun yung at least nakikita ko dito.
Yeah, it's a good decision because you want to promote also road safety. That's why you decided to enroll here, right?
Yes.
And being a responsible fellow rider, you have to educate yourself.
Yes,
diba?
They teach naman na, when you stop, before you go, you have to look to your left and right. Yun yung very basic eh. So, malalaman naman natin yun pag nakasabay tayong kamote, hindi ginagawa yun.
Tama. So, there's less kamote on the road because nag-aral dito.
Yes, diba? So, ayoko maging kamote.
So, ayan guys, another fellow lady rider trying our best to be a responsible rider out there. So, we're promoting road safety. The fact that we enrolled ourselves dito sa Honda Safety Driving Center, a good step na to be disciplined paglabas natin. Diba? So, ayan guys, this is your first step to road to safety when you go out there and ride your motorcycle. So, thank you, Annie.
Thank you so much.
First day pa lang niya ngayon, there's 2 more days.
2 more days.
And kayang-kaya na niya. So, ayan, nakita niyo na ang basic motorcycle riding course ng Honda Safety Driving Center. So, kung ikaw ay very interested mag-enroll dito, for the first 30 na magme-message sa akin dyan, can get a free discount voucher worth 10% plus may free Honda Cup ka pa. Galing sa Honda Safety Driving Center. So, if you're interested, message nyo ako at ibibigay ko sa inyo yung voucher na gagamitin ninyo para makakuha kayo ng 10% discount sa inyong training fee. So, hanggang 30 lang ha. So, kapag lumagpas na ito, wala na akong mabibigay, kaya mag-unahan na lang kayo. Alright, worth it talaga to guys. At saka, ang scheduling kasi nila, puno na ang September. Kung makakuha ka ng September, swerte ka. Pero ang next scheduling na would be October. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, mag-enroll ka na, mag-register ka na, message me for the discount vouchers. Sayang din yun. Pang-lunch nyo rin yun habang nag-training kayo dito. So, ayan guys.
Hope you like our basic riding motorcycle course. At meron pang susunod, abangan ng aming intermediate big bike course naman. Kung ikaw ay marunong na magmotor at gusto naman mag-level up at naka-big bike ka na, kahit matagal ka na nag-ride, continuous learning tayo guys. Kaya, watch it in red at abangan nyo yan ha. O yan guys, medyo pagod na si Inday Rider. So, papaalam na ako sa inyo. See you at our next video. Salamat guys. Stay safe and ride safe. Bye!